The MF70 micro-milling machine, designed for small and fine milling operations. No wonder, for the spindle achieves up to 20,000 RPM, thus offering ample speed reserves, also for the use of milling cutters of small diameters. For particularly delicate work with difficult material, the speed can be adjusted finely and continuously down to 5,000 RPM. This provides added flexibility. Different cutters can be used at the same cutting speed. As a result, you always have the right speed and cutter for the material being worked. Speaking of materials, the MF70 can machine diverse materials such as cast iron, steel, brass, aluminium, plastic and wood without any trouble. The scope of delivery includes a set of step clamps and fastening elements, also available as accessories, the operating tool and a collet block with triple-slit Proxxon steel collets in 6 different diameters, from 1 mm to 3.2 mm. Also available here are matching milling bits and lots of useful accessories, such as the 3-piece set of tungsten milling cutters. The special features of these cutters: 2 spiral grooves and a fishtail bevel. Extending to the middle of the cutter, this finish allows very easy insertion into the workpiece. The PM40 precision machine vise offers a secure hold for workpieces. Made of solid steel, this vise is just right for use with the MF70. Just like the dividing attachment, which was specially designed for use with the MF70. This unit can be used for optimal machining round workpieces and processing radially offset holes and cutouts. But that's not all. It is also possible to mill key surfaces, square and hexagonal profiles, and much more. The vernier scale on the chuck makes it possible to create divisions with an accuracy down to the last degree. Perfect for pitch circles and serrations, for instance. Well thought out mounting holes permit a horizontal as well as a vertical fastening. This makes it possible to clamp relatively long workpieces too. A passage with a diameter of 11 mm is present in the chuck. Mounting material is included. Here too, a high-quality wooden box is provided as packaging. Proxxon. Tools with character.